Alright, how's everybody doing today? This is Kurt's Culinary, and today I'm going to make cucumber salad. Very simple and basic. You need 2 cucumbers sliced, 1 onion julienne, 2/3 cup of sugar, and some vinegar. Alright, we're going to take our cucumber, you're going to cut the ends of it off, slice it down the middle. Now you want to leave these a little chunky so you can get that real good cucumber flavor. Cucumbers are delicious. They have amazing flavor, and these are even better because these are fresh from my wife's garden. So there's one, and you're going to do the same with the second one. Slice it down the middle. You're going to need you a nice little Rubbermaid container. That's just so you can mix it all up and have it something to marinate in, because this is going to need to marinate. Alright, there's our cucumber. Then we're going to take our onion. Alright. We are going to julienne this onion. Okay, you cut it in half. Peel that part off. And peel this part off. Oop. If I can get that. There we go. Okay. Now you're just going to julienne this down. Just cut it down like this. Toss that in there. Toss that in there. Alright, so now our cucumber is sliced and our onion is julienne. So now we are just going to add our sugar. It's 2/3 cup of sugar. Just drop that over the top. And then vinegar. I do not measure the vinegar, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that this is submerged in the vinegar. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and pour the vinegar in until it comes up to the top. About that much. That's all. And you're going to take your lid, put it on top, and you're going to shake it. Alright. Now you see most of the, as you can see, this is all submerged in the vinegar, and you are going to cover this, put this in the refrigerator overnight, and it needs to marinate. The sugar and the vinegar will help marinate into the cucumber and the onion, but the onion is still going to have that nice onion flavor, and the cucumber will also have its delicious, amazing cucumber flavor. So marinate it overnight, pull it out the next day. This is a really easy dish, something, you know, easy for summer. It's very good for any person who's a vegetarian, and that's all there is to it. Very simple. This is Kurt's Culinary. That's cucumber salad. Once again, for a reference, it is 2 cucumbers sliced, 1 onion julienne, 2/3 cup of sugar, and vinegar. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do make this, enjoy. See ya.